Good morning to all. Myself Aryan Raj, and today we are gonna study major monuments of Mauryan dynasty, and one of them is rock cut architecture. Ashoka's reign also saw the firm establishment of one of the most important and characteristic art traditions of South Asia, the rock cut architecture. The series of rock cut sanctuaries in the Barabar and Nagarjuni hills near Gaya in Bihar contain a number of inscriptions which show that they were donated for the habitation of certain Ajivika ascetics, perhaps followers of the Jain religion. Architecturally, their main interest lies in being the earliest known examples in India of the rock cut method. Also, they represent a contemporary type of structure that combined wood and thatch. Sudama and Lomas Rishi caves are the two notable heritage, each consisting of a circular cell with a hemispherical domed roof attached to a barrel vaulted afternoon with side entrance. Now we're gonna study about the stupa. The stupa was not unknown in India before the time of Ashoka. It was originally simple burial mound of earth and bricks erected by the Vedic Aryans. There is no evidence of veneration paid to relic mounds in the pre-Mauryan period. From the time Ashoka divided up the existing body relics of the Buddha and erected monuments to enshrine them, the stupas became objects of cult worship gradually in Buddhist art and religion. The stupa came to be accepted as a sort of architectural body representing the Buddha himself. The core of the stupa was of unburnt brick and the outer face of burnt brick, covered with a thick layer of plaster. The stupa was crowned by an umbrella of wooden fence enclosing a path for pradakshina. Now we're gonna study about human figures. Several stone sculptures of human figures demonstrating characteristics of the Mauryan period have been found. Of these, one is an extremely well preserved statue of a female Kauri fly whisk bearer, now in the Patna Museum, which was found by villagers at Didarganj. The technique, surface, refinement, and high polish undoubtedly relate it to the Mauryan period. The figure wears a hip hugging garment over her lower body. Its diaphanous folds are depicted by double incised lines across her legs. Heavy ornaments, including a jeweled or beaded girdle, anklets, armbands, necklaces, and earrings adorn the figure. This type of feminine attire will be seen throughout the development of Indian art with some variations, but essentially the clinging lower garment, bare torso, and abundant jewelry became the norm. Now we're gonna study some famous monuments built by Mauryans. The first one is Dhamek Stupa, opened 500 AD, and its location is Sarnath, Uttar Pradesh, India. In today, Sarnath, also known as Varanasi, cause Sarnath is in Varanasi. Sanchi Stupa. It is 46 kilometers northeast of Bhopal, capital of Madhya Pradesh. Okay, now third one is Ashoka Pillar, built by the king Ashoka. Fourth one is Barabar Caves, Grotoi of Lomas Rishi, 3rd century BCE. And the fifth is Kesharia Stupa. That's all. Thank you so much.